Alright, interrupted by the restaurant there. Okay, okay, why we got no boost? We've been working all day today. What am I doing wrong? Got connections, got that, we got plenty of juice. What did I do different than before? The air pump works. Hit that button a couple times, I don't know. If you hit enough buttons enough times, something will happen, right? Figures it works fine all day until right now. And now we got nothing still. I actually got the key on right now, so. Okay, this makes me look stupid. Okay, I don't understand why it's not working. Oh, bad connection. The lights just came on. All the solenoids and stuff are coming on. Dash lights are on. That powers up the whole vehicle. I guess those corroded battery posts weren't the best thing in the world. And she starts right up. Didn't have to crank it forever. And what's nice about this unit, you didn't have to push a button and wait 10 seconds or do anything. Also, which is nice, is you're fully powered all the time. So you can start it multiple times. You don't have to wait, come back and a half hour later and reheat it again. You keep cranking on it. So that's real nice too. It's a nice high output unit, so it helps a lot. So there you go. So that works really nice for that. We'll let that run a little bit. So I wasn't getting a good connection down here on that rusty post right down there. That's what makes me look stupid. There you go. But you already know I'm stupid, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so while that's running, fumigating the shop over here. I'm going to go ahead and close the door so I don't get polluted in here. Okay, we're going to go hook up this tire press over here so we can make this thing work. We'll see how good the pumping action is on this thing. I got this way up in the air, which is kind of a problem. So comes with a short hose, so it's just going to hang. It's a screw-on fitting. Should tell me how much air is in here, I would think. Says I got 30 psi in here. I don't know if you can see the gauge down there. It's hard to work a camera when you're as far away. There you go. See 30 pounds on that? Okay, you adjust the pressure you want to be. It was set at 26, so I did my race bike tire. I'm not going to bump this thing up. Just push the button here. You go up or down, depending on what you want, see? And then when you're ready, you just hit stop. So we had 30 pounds in there, so it's going to come on. Went to 31, so that went pretty quick. Let's go ahead and bump this up a little bit more. We'll go to 35 pounds. These are big tires. Just down to the short hose, you gotta not the best. Noisy too. $275 pretty good car. it goes to half, it shuts off. And if you want to go more, you just go up. So let's say everyone needs at 50. So we're going to go ahead and click this thing up to 50. 50 pounds right there. We have 75% charge life right now. So we're going to go ahead and run this for a little bit, and then we'll do another jump test. If it needs to be jumped, we'll find out. Alright, we'll be back. We'll run for a while. I'll go time it and see how long it takes. Let's see, what time is it? It is, there you go, 15 to 8. We'll see what it is.